Let's make a Star Wars themed high protein Oreo sundae using a Ninja Creami and Oreo whey protein powder from Ghost. It's 54 grams of protein and it tastes delicious. Also, you can reveal some of the characters I got from the dark side and light side of this special edition Oreo Star Wars pack. But first I'm going to start off by pouring 16 ounces of Fairlife milk, and then we're going to add 2 scoops of Ghost Oreo whey protein, and then we're going to stir that up a little bit. And once that's mixed in, we're going to blend it with the blender so there's no lumps. I'm going to cover it up and put it in the freezer overnight for 24 hours. Now the next day, this is how it looks. And then we're going to put it in Ninja Creami, and we're going to select full, and then change the setting to light ice cream. Now it's the next day and you want a creamier texture, so we're going to put it back in the Ninja Creami, select full, and then respin. Now let's take out the waffle cone and get that prepped. And now it's out, and now it's a lot creamier, as you can see. Now we're going to take out a few scoops of the ice cream and drop it into the waffle cone. Then we're going to add an Oreo sugar cone. Now it's time to add the Oreos. I'm looking for Vader and Luke Skywalker. The 10 pack has both light and dark side characters compared to the large packages where you only get either light side or dark side, but I was able to find Vader here, so I'm going to add that to the ice cream. Next up, I found General Grievous and Darth Maul. I'm going to put those to the side. On the inside, it's like this crumbly, nice texture. And here we go, I found Rey, and then I found Jabba the Hutt. That's how it looks up close. And I finally found Luke. Just add it to the ice cream with some crushed up Oreos on top. And there you have it. A delicious Star Wars themed Oreo high protein sundae. Hope you enjoy. And this is the macros that I had into MyFitness. So it's 54 grams of protein and about 650 calories.